Mother Nature, do you see how these leaves are changing? Every fall, they change their leaves. They get brown, they fall off, and then in the springtime, they are renewed again. New leaves will return. I want us to think about our own lives, our own self. And so if the trees, if Mother Nature can renew these trees every year, all things old are removed and all things new begin again. We need to think about our lives and how we need to grow and renew, let go of old things and start anew. There's nothing wrong with change. Excuse me. There's nothing wrong with starting anew. Change is good. Change is necessary. If nature can change automatically, then we as humans also need to change. Have a blessed day, everybody.